This is the new and improved Alcock Industrial Metric Precision Drill Set, a straightforward, organised way to keep your most used sizes in one place. It comes with 170 bits ranging from 1mm to 10mm in 0.5mm increments. You get 10 drill bits of each size up to 8mm and 5 drill bits of every size from 8.5 to 10mm. The drill bits are made from M35 high-speed steel with 5% cobalt. They feature precision ground flutes, have a split point to greatly improve cutting action and a 135-degree drill point angle, delivering stronger, more accurate performance while reducing wandering, especially on tougher materials. And if you go through certain sizes more than others, you can buy these jobber drill packs. That means you don't need to replace the whole kit, just the bits you need. Simple, durable and easy to keep stocked. For more information, head into your local Hare and Forbes Machineryhouse store or go online to machineryhouse.com.au.